Paragraph writing. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about paragraph writing and how to make the paragraph writing look more creative and flawless. So, let us learn the key points for paragraph writing. There are total 6 main key points. Let us see them one by one. First, unity of idea. A paragraph should focus on one central idea or theme. All sentences must connect to this main idea. Topic sentence. Usually the first sentence introduces the subject of the paragraph clearly. Third, supporting sentences. Provide details, explanations or examples. They expand the topic sentence logically. Fourth, coherence and flow. Sentences should be arranged in a logical order. Use connectors. Finally, moreover, however, and therefore for smooth flow. Use sensory details and imagery. Correct tenses, spellings and punctuations. Fifth, conclusion or closing sentence. Summarizes the main idea, leaves a lasting impression or final thought. Sixth, length and simplicity. For CBSE exams, keep it concise about 100 to 150 words. Avoid unnecessary details or repetition. Let us have some example paragraphs so you can understand paragraph writing more clearly. Example 1. Importance of reading. Reading is one of the most valuable habits a student can develop. It not only improves vocabulary but also broadens knowledge and imagination. Books are like silent teachers that guide us through different cultures, histories, and ideas. Regular reading enhances concentration and helps in academic success. Therefore, cultivating the habit of reading is essential for personal growth and lifelong learning. I hope you understood the paragraph 1, importance of reading. Now let us see the paragraph 2, pollution. Pollution has become one of the greatest challenges of modern times. It affects rain, water, and soil, making the environment unsafe for living beings. The rise of industries and vehicles has increased air pollution, while careless disposal of waste has polluted water bodies. Pollution leads to health problems such as asthma, lung infection, and even cancer. To protect our planet, strict measures and public awareness are necessary. A clean environment ensures a healthy future. Now, let us see example 3. Example 3 is discipline. Discipline is the key to success in every field of life. It teaches us self-control, punctuality, and responsibility. A disciplined student completes assignments on time and respects teacher. In society, discipline ensures harmony and order. Without discipline, chaos and failures are inevitable. Thus, discipline is the foundation of a successful and meaningful life. Now, I have a tip for students. Always plan your paragraph with a quick outlook or outline. What is outlook or outline? Topic supporting points and conclusion before writing. This saves time and ensures clarity. Now let us see description of a person. Key points: name and identity, who they are, physical appearance, length, build, features, clothing, personality traits, kind, strict, humorous, actions or habits, what they usually do, impact on others, how people feel about them. Now let us see the description of a person as an example of paragraph writing. Example: my best friend Riya is a cheerful and energetic girl. She has sparkling eyes and a warm smile that makes everyone feel welcome. She is always ready to help others and has a habit of cracking jokes that lighten the mood. Her kindness and positivity make her the most loved person in our class. This is a short para but describes many things about a person. Now let us see description of a place. Key points: location and setting, physical features, buildings, nature, layout, atmosphere, quiet, busy, peaceful, noisy, sensory details, sights, sounds, smells, personal impression. Now let us also have an paragraph writing on description of a place. Example: the library in our school is a quiet and peaceful place. Rows of neatly arranged books line the shelves, and the soft rustle of pages creates a soothing atmosphere. The smell of old paper and polished wood fills the air. It is the perfect place for students to study and discover new worlds through reading. Now let us see description of an event. Key points: occasion, what the event was, time and place, actions that took place, activities that took place in the particular place, person's reaction and emotions, what was a person's reaction, significance or outcome, what was the total significance. Now let us take an example for this too. Our school's annual day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. The auditorium was decorated with colorful lights and flowers. Students performed dances, plays and musics, while parents and teachers applauded with joy. The highlight was the prize distribution ceremony, which filled the winners with prize. The event ended with the national anthem, leaving everyone inspired. Now let us see description of a thing. Key points: name and topic of object. Name and type of object, physical features, size, shape, color, material. Function or use, special qualities or uniqueness, personal connection. Let us see an example of this paragraph writing. My bicycle is my favorite possession. It is bright red with black handles and steady wheels. I use it to go to school and play with my friends. It is lightweight yet strong, and riding it gives me a sense of freedom. I take care of it by cleaning and oiling it regularly. Description of a situation. Key points: context, where and when it happened, people involved, sequence of actions, emotions felt during the situation, resolution or outcome. Let us have an example on description of a situation. Example: last week I was stuck in a heavy rain while returning home. The streets were flooded and people rushed to find shelter. I felt anxious as my clothes were drenched and my books got wet. Finally, I managed to reach a shop where the shopkeeper kindly offered me an umbrella. The situation taught me the importance of being prepared. These examples show students how to structure their descriptions with clarity, detail, and emotion. So let us have a recap of paragraph writing. Paragraph writing involves 6 main points: unity of idea, topic sentence, supporting sentence, coherence and flow, conclusion closing sentence, and length and simplicity. And we also learnt few examples of how to write paragraphs. So, like, subscribe and follow my channel Learn English Grammar to grab more creative bites. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.